I like my cookies crunchy. I know, unpopular opinion, but I believe that cookies should be like the croutons, but of the dessert world, you know. Today's video is going to be this mess. We are the Cookie Monster. Basically, I woke up super hungry today. I wake up hungry every day because I am training for my first ever bodybuilding competition, which will be in just 12 short weeks. But anybody who knows me knows that I love chocolate chip cookies, and that is the thing that has been the hardest for me to give up. I think I definitely cheated and had a cookie in the first month. I woke up this morning extra hungry and all I could think about was chocolate chip cookies. I was like, hey, if I can't eat it, maybe I'll just like paint myself into one, and I don't know why I thought that that would help. Woo! I almost fell over for real. What do you think would be the hardest food for you to give up? I knew chocolate chip cookies were gonna be a problem for me. That and movie theater popcorn. Oh, I love movie theater popcorn. And I'm not gonna lie, I have totally caved and eaten, I kid you not, like half a bucket all by myself. I'm still not entirely sure what I'm doing with my eyeballs, but I want to go ahead and kind of like finish off the face a little bit. So I took that Sugarpill Pro pigments, those eyeshadows, the two blues that I have right here. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know exactly the colors because you get to like customize your own pan if you do the Pro palette, and I don't remember what I bought. That, and then I have this BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. For highlighter today, we're going to go in with Polar on my big fluffy brush, the one I usually use to highlight. And I'm just So I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick. I'm going to put a little bit of that here on the back of my hand. I'm going to use one of these nail art pens. Okay, so I'm going to go in with that same color that I used here on my eyeballs, I think first, and I'm going to place that in my crease. So I'm going to pop this bright blue right in my crease. And then, because I need something other than just blue in here, I'm going to use this bright purple from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. Okay, so this is the face all finished. Now we gotta get cold. We're gonna figure out in the exact way that we want. And now we're gonna add some chocolate chips. Adding some shadows underneath some of the drips, and I did that just by mixing a black and a brown eyeshadow together. I'm gonna do pretty fine outlining of what's around my face. Alright, and that is the completed look. Like I said, I didn't have any lipstick for my lips, so we just went with some paint and some eyeshadow. But this cookie is freaking making me hungry, man. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If there is anything else that you guys would like to see here on my channel, please comment that down below. And if you know what one food you could never give up, let me know that down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.